This is part 3 of decoding the 12 viral thumbnail formats dominating YouTube right now. By this point, you know how to grab attention, but how do you instantly manufacture deep authority and trust before the viewer even clicks? In this segment, we are breaking down the exact visual frameworks that top educational and business channels use to signal massive value. Plus, I am going to show you a completely broken AI ideation workflow that will literally cut your graphic design time in half. Let's get right back into it. This layout centers around two main elements: the creator and a physical whiteboard covered in a detailed breakdown or system. This framework dominates educational, financial, and business channels because it immediately promises a structured blueprint rather than generic, surface-level advice. Top creators intentionally leave these diagrams looking slightly complex. If the whole system was easy to read directly off the thumbnail, there wouldn't be any curiosity left to trigger the click. You don't need a literal academic framework inside the video to pull this off. As long as you cover the core concepts listed on the board, the thumbnail succeeds because it signals authority and raw authenticity. Format 8, the ultra-minimal format. As the name suggests, these designs strip away all the clutter. They feature clean black or white backdrops, leaving over 50% of the canvas completely blank, paired with tiny, precise text. When you open your YouTube home feed, you are bombarded by neon colors, hyper-dramatic expressions, and massive text fighting for your focus. A completely stripped-back, minimal graphic cuts through that noise as a massive pattern interrupt. Beyond that, empty space subconsciously signals luxury and premium quality. Low-budget stores cram every inch of space with product tags, whereas luxury brands highlight vast open space with minimal clutter. A minimal thumbnail sends a direct message to the viewer's subconscious. This content is so good that I don't need to beg for your click with flashy graphics.